Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back with a proper new video, and I felt like it was only right that I caught up with you, tell you where I've been, what I've been up to, why I've been so scarce on YouTube. I'm here to tell you all about it while I create this fun makeup look right here, which I really hope you like, because I actually quite like it. I kind of winged this makeup look. I've used a few new products I've never used before, old products that you probably I got and have been sitting here for time. If you want to know how I got this look and just want to be nosy about my life, then keep on watching. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get straight into this because I feel like it's been so long. We need to catch up. I'm gonna start off with primer and foundation. I'm actually going to use a few products that I've never used before. One of them being the Beauty Blender foundation, which has been around for quite some time now. I've swatched it and all of that, but I haven't actually put it on properly yet. So we're going to do that. But I am going to prime my face first with the Beauty Blender primer. So this is like the first sit down makeup tutorial like this in months. I'm not joking guys, it has been about 2 months. I've done YouTube for about 6 years now, and in 6 years I don't think I've ever taken 2 months off, 2 months without filming properly. I feel like I needed it, but now I'm back and I'm ready for some action. So I'm taking the Beauty Blender foundation. You basically pump it out onto the actual thing, and then of course use a Beauty Blender to just pat into it. I'm using the shade 370, which I feel like is the best shade for me. You can see like it literally blends into my neck so seamlessly. Yeah guys, it's been so long. I have missed you. I felt a little bit unmotivated for a while. I feel like YouTube has become this place where people are doing like wild challenges just for views. I don't know, it's just like it's a bit different to how it used to be. Although I need to move with the times, I still don't want to lose myself within it, and I don't want to do things that I wouldn't do just for views. Like, it's just not me. Let me know what you would want to see from me though. If there is anything different you wanted to see from me, what would it be? I know I definitely am going to be doing more fashion. So I'm just going to contour now with my Bare Minerals foundation stick. It's actually one of the newer ones, and I've got this in the shade Sienna 10. Oh my god, I'm speaking so fast because I just had to run inside my house to get something, and now I'm like I've just got the Marc Jacobs concealer stick, and honestly it is amazing. I've got this in the shade Medium 36, and I've spoken about it I think once before on Insta stories, but I've not included it in a video yet. But it's so good. As I was saying before, the reason I've been away for so long is because I went to LA guys. So I know some of you are gonna ask, but what happened to your LA vlog? I basically went to LA thinking I was gonna vlog. I took my vlogging camera. Oh my god, this foundation stick feels really like cooling, like it feels like water. Yeah, I started to vlog because the first 2 weeks were a bit quieter and I didn't really have any friends. As you know, I went to LA on my own. I think I knew about 3 people in LA, but no one that like is like my friend, like my homie. So yeah, I was vlogging, and I felt like while I was vlogging it wasn't even that interesting because it's just me on my own going here, me on my own going there. And then basically I ended up getting really sick. About 4 or 5 days out of the first 2 weeks I was dead, not doing nothing. I was just boring AF. Also, where I had no friends, I was kind of like taking myself out to eat sometimes. It wasn't really that interesting for a vlog. And then what happened was I ended up meeting a group of people, especially these 2 girls. I did meet one of my subscribers out there though, and she was so amazing, so lovely, and she gave me an amazing facial. I actually put a video up of it on my Instagram. I took myself for brunch, and this was the first day that I was feeling sick. I put makeup on that day because I thought I don't want to waste the day. I feel like I haven't done enough in the last 2 weeks. So I go take myself for brunch. I'm like sitting on Melrose Avenue. If anyone knows Melrose Avenue, a street of shops basically, but then you have like bars and restaurants and cafes and stuff. So I was sat on the outside of this restaurant. On the inside, first of all, sorry, how amazing is this concealer? Like, coverage is insane. But yeah, I was sat on the outside right next to like a patio, and on the inside of that patio kind of window was this group of people, and they were just having their like Sunday brunch, like a group of friends, whatever. Out of nowhere, it starts raining. Bear in mind, I'm just sat there on my own, doing my thing, feeling shit, messaging my sister saying, I feel so crap. I think I'm just going to go home today. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I just feel so rubbish. This group of people, they look outside facing where I am. I look at them kind of thing. Like, I look at the rain and I look at them and we're all like, what the hell about the rain? And I was just like, I'm from London and I was trying to avoid this weather, you know. And they were like, oh my God, you're from London. And then it started raining real bad out of nowhere. They were like, come in, come in. So I went inside, and I didn't think they were actually meaning for me to join their tables. I just kind of like went inside to avoid the rain. And they were all there like at the table, like waving me down, like, come back, come. And then they were just all so lovely. Like, I ended up spending the whole day with them. And then I was like, guys, I am actually really ill. Like, I need to go home. The girls kept in touch with me. They basically included me in all of their plans. The rest of the time that I was there, I got to do some sick things, got to go to some amazing places. I got to go to Chris Brown's house. Like, that was just unexpected, to be honest. Like, what the hell? That was on my last night in LA, and I had my flight the next day. So I was like, I haven't even packed. I've been out for 3 days straight, literally day and night. I don't know how I manage. Yeah, I need to get back and pack. So sorry, Chris Brown, gotta go. I obviously met him and he spoke to everybody. Like, it was really chilled. It was just chilled gathering at his house. He only plays his own music in his house though. Would you do the same if you were an artist? Yeah, I mean, that's another level of loving yourself. But he was really, really sweet, really friendly. So yeah, it was all good. I'm just going in with some powder now. I am going to leave a list of all the products down below for you to check them out. But yeah, like, I got to go to some really cool day parties. Obviously, if you were watching my Instagram stories, you would have seen what I was getting up to. But I literally was having the best time in the last 2 weeks. I made really, really like great friends. I think I got really lucky. It just happened out of nowhere. Oh my God, guys, I literally put on all my bronzer and it wasn't recording. Great. Anyway, I'm using Hoola Caramel, so it's on now. So I'm just moving on to the eyes now, and I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Neon palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Basically, I'm feeling to do neon just because I feel like that whole neon trend is really in at the moment, especially with it being summer and festival season. People are experimenting a little bit more with color, which is great because I love a bit of color. You know, I'm not shy of it. Feeling to do something a little bit fun for this look. Oh, I like this shade. I'm just gonna go into this shade with my finger, just because these textured eyeshadows are always a bit difficult, so it's better to apply with your finger. You know, when you can just stick on like 2 eyeshadows and you're kind of just done, it's great. Well, there is another eyeshadow we're gonna use underneath. We're going to use a different color. So I got this PR package from Laura Mercier, and it's got their new eyeliner, mascara and lash curlers. I never use lash curlers. I'm really excited to use the new eyeliner and basically everything in this box, so that's what I'm gonna do. I feel really under pressure right now. I feel like I'm in a little bit of a rush because Love Island is on really soon. So we're just gonna finish off the eyeshadow with this kind of purple shade right here. It's like a pinky purple, almost like a magenta, and I'm just gonna run this right along my lower lash line just to kind of spice this look up. So like I said before, I've not actually used lash curlers. Well, I never use lash curlers. I have used them before, but I don't use them. So I'm actually going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply the Laura Mercier mascara. I feel like you're only meant to curl your lashes before mascara. I feel like if you do it after, it might actually damage your lashes. And then as for the mascara, I'm excited to try this. Let's get this bad boy on. I really like the brush. And I'm sure this is meant to be a volumizing mascara, but we will only know, I think, after a couple of coats. I feel like you can never see the true potential of a mascara straight away, just in one little coat. Mascara verdict, it's not bad. I don't think it's the most volumizing mascara. Oh, Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. All the volume, all the intensity, no compromise. It's not all the volume. I feel like it's some volume, more length, if anything, but it's still a nice mascara. I feel like it's a bit more of like a natural day. Maybe I need to build it up more, but I did go in with like 2 and a bit coats of mascara, and I feel like that is just enough for me. The lash colors I really like, and the liner I really like. 2 out of 3 in the PR package from me. I'm quickly just going to apply some false lashes off camera. I'm going to use these Tatti Lashes in the style TL3. And yeah, I really like them. I just feel like they're going to go really well with this look. Back onto the face in a second. I'm just putting some nude liner in my waterline just to kind of like tie the whole eye look together. Just going to dust away all the powder now with the Hourglass Luminous Light palette. I think I'm going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop. It has been a hot minute since I used this highlighter, and it's one of my favorites. And you know what, sometimes I love using products that I know that you guys have. Like sometimes I think like you guys follow makeup pages because, I don't know, maybe you want to learn something, maybe you're beauty enthusiasts, some of you want to be kept up to date with the latest products. But I imagine it must be hard keeping up with all of the latest products, because even I struggle with that, and I get sent a lot of them. If I haven't finished my champagne pop, you might not have finished your champagne pop. So why are you going to buy another highlighter? Do you know what I mean? So where I've used products that are new in this video, I also like to use products that have been around for a while that you might have, so that you feel like, oh yeah, I can use that from the video. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I think about these things. I don't know if it makes a difference to you guys. Okay guys, let's finish this off with the lip. I'm just going to get Cork lip liner on and apply it all around my lips. And now that I look nice and crazy, I am going to get on some lipstick. I've got the new Laura Mercier Silky Cream Lipstick Rouge à Lèvres Creme. It's in the shade Brun Pale. It's this one right here. Do you know what this colour reminds me of? Very much so of Yash by MAC. You guys know that's one of my favorite nudes ever. Okay, finally guys, I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs Sugar lip gloss. It's literally one of my faves. It's so beautiful, and I'm just going to put this kind of in the center of my lips. So guys, this right here is the finished look. I feel so happy I'm back on YouTube properly now. For those of you watching, thank you for sticking by me and for coming back. And yeah, loads of more fun looks and videos to come. Like I said, if you've got any suggestions, please do leave them down below in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It was really nice catching up with you and letting you know where I've been at. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Get me on the gram. I've got loads of fresh other content over there, and I'll see you all next time. Mwah! Bye!